I'm here for a quick demo of this 1 horsepower submersible water pump, which I got from SEESII to show you here in detail. It's a complete set with everything what you need, even including a very long 23 feet hose and a 25 feet long power cord. Comes even with some additional adapters for other pipes or other hoses and the connection holders, and even a debris net if you need. So it's super easy to assemble, pretty much no assembly needed, ready in 2 or 3 minutes after taking it out of the box. That's exactly what we want. And it's so easy to use, there's not even a button needed. Just connect it to power. Then you can hear it running, and then you can put it down into the water and wait till it's priming. And so you can see the water is nicely flowing. Just make sure that there are no major kinks in the hose. Everything is absolutely amazing. Watch how much water this thing is moving. Absolutely incredible, up to almost 5,000 gallons per hour, which would be almost half of the pool size here. Absolutely incredible. Super strong, lot of water. And after finishing, you can just remove it here, unplugging it. Yeah, absolutely amazing, super convenient helper if you have to move a lot of water, no matter if it's out of the pool or into a pool or whatever you have to do. Yeah, also awesome build quality here, definitely nothing to complain. The only thing missing may be a switch. I don't know if that's common or not, but probably could be a problem with the waterproofness. So I'm not really complaining here. Seems to have a very decent punch for 1 horsepower. Great suction, didn't have any problems so far. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this pump, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.